Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular dash cams: the PRUVEEO 360-degree view and the Dash Cam WiFi 2K. Today, we'll evaluate their features, performance, and value for money to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. When it comes to video quality, the PRUVEEO offers 1080p resolution across its 4 channels, providing decent clarity for most driving scenarios. In contrast, the Dash Cam WiFi 2K boasts a higher resolution of 2Ks, which significantly enhances the detail captured during your drives, especially in low-light conditions. This makes the Avilet a compelling choice for those who prioritize high-definition footage. The PRUVEEO excels in coverage with its 360-degree view, allowing you to capture all angles around your vehicle. This is particularly useful in accident scenarios where every detail matters. On the other hand, the Dash Cam WiFi 2K provides a 170-degree wide-angle view, which is sufficient for most situations, but lacks the comprehensive coverage of its competitor. In terms of pricing, the PRUVEEO comes in at $189, which reflects its advanced features and multi-channel capabilities. However, if you're on a budget, the Dash Cam WiFi 2K is a steal at just $59, offering great value for those who need a reliable dash cam without breaking the bank. This price difference is a significant factor to consider when making your choice. In conclusion, both dash cams have their strengths and weaknesses. The PRUVEEO offers comprehensive coverage and decent video quality, while the Dash Cam WiFi 2K provides excellent resolution at a budget-friendly price. Depending on your needs, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.